Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everybody is doing well. I wanted to do this video on some new blushes that I recently picked up. And the brand I'm talking about is Seint, S-E-I-N-T. The reason I purchased this is I am a big fan of a YouTuber called, I think her handle is Harmony Blues. I'll leave her link down in my description box where she talked about these 4 blushes being some of her favorites from this brand. I purchased them and I love everything she recommended. What's kind of cool is they also sell these palettes on the website and you can purchase them in different colors. I decided to get sort of this camel brown shade for my palette and they come in different sizes. I got the 4-pan palette and I chose every blush that she picked out because everything she put on her face, I absolutely fell in love with. If you are a fan of cream blushes, even if you're not a fan of cream blushes, they go on so beautifully. Now I'm putting on this darkest one right now, and you can tell even though it's super dark in the pan, it is not that dark on my finger, and I am just going to tap that in, and you literally have to do nothing. You don't have to do anything. You just tap it in and these blushes melt into your skin. She even recommended putting this one on with another one right on top, which is what I've done. And I love every recommendation that she's made. The most fabulous cream blushes I've ever tried. I must admit, these are just wonderful. So I am going to leave a link for Harmony's YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link for the video that she did on these 4 blushes. I purchased every blush that she recommended and I love every one. You can see how beautiful it looks on the cheeks. These colors are some of my most favorite colors. Even this darkest shade, I just put that on and you can see in translation, it's not super dark on your cheeks. It just leaves a beautiful glow, healthy glow to your cheeks. I think it makes your skin look so much younger looking than powders. And you can also get a palette to go with it if you don't have a palette. I wanted to talk about these blushes. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.